Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 9th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm used to yelling and screaming about Freaky Friday, but for a change, it wasn't Freaky Friday. It was Fabulous Friday today, and we had the best day we've had in a long time on today. Uh, I'll show you the Dow first. That was quite uneventful. The Dow opened up positive, came back, then made its high here about the middle of the day, and then kind of slid back for the last half of the day, but still closed up a respectable 161 points. None of this had much effect on what we were doing. We had a great day yesterday. We ended up positive $33,000 with in open trade on the close. I'm used to having these days where maybe if I was lucky to get $33,000 in open trade, I would consider myself pretty lucky to close that out with maybe, say, $20,000. Well, as I say, it was fabulous Friday. We ended up closing out that $33,000 not with 20,000, but with positive 37,000. We actually improved from where we were yesterday. So, a $37,000 closeout. I say it's been a long time since I've seen that kind of figure, and it happened today. And not only that, we got into 12 new positions today. 10 were positive, only 2 were negative, and we're carrying positive almost $10,000 in open trade over the weekend and going in to Monday. So $37,000 closed out, $10,000 open trade. Huh. What is that? I guess that's $47,000. That's a good day. That's Fabulous Friday. So very, very happy. I will show you 3 stocks here that might be of interest to you. This first one is CRDF, which is Cardiff Oncology. I think I showed this to you yesterday, but we had bought this first hour yesterday. It just keep going up and up, and we closed that out a little better than where it closed yesterday. Anyway, we took $11,700 out of Cardiff Oncology, and then it pretty much slacked off after we got out. So that's coming close to being a perfect trade, worth over almost $12,000. Really good. And then this was this crazy trade. I showed you this yesterday. This is GME, which is GameStop Corporation. Yesterday, with maybe 2 hours to go, rumors surfaced about a buyout from Microsoft, and there was a trading halt. And as soon as they opened after the trading halt, our system immediately bought this thing, and it never looked back from there, and ended up closing almost on its high, and we had $18,000 on the close yesterday in profit with GameStop. It did pull back some this morning. After it went up in the aftermarket, but After the real open this morning, it pulled back just a little. So we ended up getting out of that with $13,800. If we had a crystal ball and could have sold it up here, it would have been we would have been out with maybe 22,000 or something up here. But we don't have a crystal ball. We trade the algorithm, and the algorithm got us out with $13,800. And you can see after making this high up here, it started sliding, and it did close below where we got out. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that exit and the $13,800 that we got out of it. I'll show you one additional trade that we're still in. I get this thing up. Yeah, this looks really good. This is Fate Therapeutics, and we bought this toward the end of the second hour today, and it kept going here, closed on its high, and we're holding almost $3,000 on this thing on the close today, but it's up in the aftermarket. And if I sold it at where it's at in the aftermarket, it'd be up to about 6,000. So this looks like a very promising trade in Fate Therapeutics. So wonderful way to end the week. I'm going to have a great weekend. You have a great weekend, and I'll be back here on Monday trading as usual.